I'm going to show you how to find leaks in your car using smoke. Now, mechanics have been using smoke machines for years. I've got one here hiding under all this junk, but it's got one major disadvantage. That sucker cost over $1,000. But I found a smoke machine by Custom Smoke that costs just a little over $100. And that's why my $1,000 machine is sitting down here. The $100 one works just as well. It's actually easier to use. As you can see, it's made out of a paint can, has a heating element in it, makes smoke which you can blow around to find where there's leaks in your car. Now, that's what I call American ingenuity. Make a better mousetrap? Hey, you're going to make a lot of people happy. It's a very simple device. There's a heating element inside. And you just go to the drugstore and get some mineral oil and pour it in a little bottle that comes with the kit. Then you just sprinkle a little bit of the mineral oil on the covering of the heating element. Then just put the top on and seal it like any paint can. Then you hook the positive cable to the battery and the negative cable to the battery to generate the smoke. And the smoke comes out the other end, so you can stick it in places to see where there's leak. The smoke will come out where stuff is leaking. Now, I'm a mechanic, so I use the pressure regulator that comes with, hook it up to my air supply, and that pumps the air through. But you could take it off and just blow in it with your mouth to push the smoke through, or you can get a bicycle pump and use a bicycle pump to pump the air through the system so the smoke will show where the leaks are. You don't have to have an air compressor. Now, let's say your vehicle's running lean. You can go to the brake booster, and you can take off the hose there, and then just inject the smoke inside there. You check where the smoke's coming out, and in this case, it's way down here. The mass airflow sensor is leaking, so it needs replacing. Talk about a quick way to find something that's wrong. Now, I showed this to other mechanics, and the first thing some guy said was, oh, that thing looks dangerous. But really, it's got a fuse on it, so you don't have to worry about the wiring's going bad. It's fused. It's got a pressure regulator that regulates the pressure to like half a PSI, so it doesn't damage anything by blowing the smoke too fast. And of course, it has a very basic safety valve. The top of the paint can. If it did for some reason build up too much pressure, the top of the can would just snap off. But I've never had that happen because, hey, the smoke is coming out of here and the pressure is just going to come out of this hole if it builds up too much pressure, and it never has for me anyway. Now, as with any smoke machine, it's best to use them outside like I am in a driveway. Because if you're inside a garage that's sealed up, if you use a smoke machine and you're, say, working on an evap system that has gas fumes, the gas fumes could get blown up and you could cause an explosion somewhere. But if you're working outside like me, you don't have to worry about that. They would just dissipate into the air. You can use it to find leaks in exhaust systems. Just stick it in the pipe and put a towel there, and wherever the leak is, the smoke will come out. Heck, I've even used it to find leaks in the sewer system of my old house. It's so crooked, the pipes are always breaking. Finds them real fast. Now, really, the only thing I have against the smoke machine is this guy is so small, the only way you can get a hold of him is by his email. And here it is, customsmoke@yahoo.com. You have any questions about him? Just email it to him. Hey, Bill Gates started out of a garage. Hey, who knows how big this guy will get? Because if you build a better mousetrap, people will come knocking to your door. And remember, if you have any car questions, just visit the Scotty Kilmer channel. And I'll answer them as soon as I get done talking with this dolphin.